Very good morning, students. How are you? Today we are going to study about Alibaba and 40 thieves. Okay, Alibaba and 40 thieves. Then we are studying the first question. Tick the correct answer. Tick the correct answer. Okay, tick the correct answer. Then you have to tick the right answer. It is very important so that you see. First one, Kasim went to see his brother after 2 years. As per the story, the answer is after 2 years. Okay? As per the story, Kasim went to see his brother after 2 years. Second, the thieves are there 40. There are 40 thieves are there. So first answer is C. After 2 years, second answer is 40. Okay? Clear? Then next one is Alibaba. Alibaba said dash and the rock opened. Open sesame. Open sesame. Open sesame. This is the right. The first one is the right answer. Open sesame. Clear? Isn't it? Alibaba said that it is open sesame. Then fourth one is maid servant of Kasim wife was Margina. Margina is a maid servant of Kasim. Margina is a maid servant of Kasim wife. The maid servant of Kasim is Margina. Clear? Isn't it? So beta. Therefore, it's the first answer for this. This first answer is see after 2 years. Second answer is 40. Clear? Second answer is 40. Then third answer is Alibaba and said dash and the rock open. That is A. Open sea saying. That is clear? Any doubt is there beta? Okay. The fourth one is maid servant of Kasim wife was Margina. Okay. Then tick the true and cross the false statements. Alibaba did not want the people to know how his brother had died. It is absolutely true. Okay, it is true only. Because his brother, Alibaba brother was died, Qasim. He was killed by the thieves. So that he didn't want to inform to the people. So that he kept a secret. He just buried secretly him. Okay, clear? He didn't say anybody. He didn't say anything about his brother Qasim death. Okay, how did he die? Okay, so first answer is true. Alibaba did not want people to know how his brother and had died. Okay, the second one is the quickly went around that Qasim was alive. No, it is wrong, false. Qasim was ill. Qasim ill. Okay. He is ill. So it is a false statement. He is ill. Okay. He is ill. Then third one is Alibaba thought what people would say if they noticed that his body was in four pieces. Alibaba thought what would say if the people noticed that his body was in four pieces. It is true. It is absolutely true. Then the old shopkeeper was blind. It is true only, beta. Check the book. It is absolutely true. Read the book. Okay. It is true only. Okay. Then dash. Fifth one, Alibaba and his wife moved into Qasim's house and lived happily. Yes, it is true. Okay. Alibaba and his wife moved into Kashmir house and lived true happily. It is true. So first answer is what is the first? First answer is true. Second answer false. Third answer true. Fourth answer true. Fifth answer is true. Clear? So B part is over. Then match the following. Okay, match the following. The story quickly went around. The story quickly went around that Kasim was ill. It is the first answer. When that Kasim was ill. Okay. When that Kasim was ill, it is the first answer. The second, 20 donkeys outside may mean 20 men inside. It is second answer. 20 donkeys outside means 20 men inside. Okay. Then cut his body into kitane pieces? 4 pieces. Cut this body into 4 pieces. The next, Qasim tried 100 ways to cut, countless way to make the rope open. He forgot to the magic word. He told whatever he want, so that the door didn't open. Okay, so what is answer? First answer, story quickly went out. The Qasim was ill. The Qasim was ill. Second answer, 20 donkeys outside me, ways to make the no, mean 20 men inside. So first answer, the Qasim was ill. Second answer, men 20 men inside. The third answer, four pieces. Fourth and same only. There is way to make the rope open. Okay, clear work, beta. Very carefully study. Okay, okay, okay.